got the industry partners who have the needs. We've got the academics and the national labs who have the technical expertise. And so when you bring all of them together, you start looking at solutions or looking for solutions in different ways, in unique ways. And you find partners that you might not have expected to originally find to solve some of the problems that you have.
The investment from REMADE through the RFP process that we have is significant, and we bring the brightest mind in the country to work together on some of those projects. So, again, the benefit for the manufacturing company, again, we're de-risking technology, we're demonstrating solutions that not a single company can do on its own.